Okay, we're live. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody's doing good. Gonna be trading NASDAQ today. Futures. NASDAQ futures. This was yesterday here. We took this long here, but we didn't get out there, but we were targeting there. Where I was looking, I said in the video yesterday that I wanted to hit that. That was just 50% of that range of, let's see, not that. Of this range right here, from there to here. And we got the 50% of it, which is good trade. So we're gonna see what we can do today. First things first, we're going to delete all the drawings we have. This is my NASDAQ. These three are my NASDAQ. This one's my ES. Okay, I'm gonna chart here. Put all my drawings on this one here. And put everything here. Let's see. I'm gonna start at the daily chart. Mark some stuff out. Previous day, previous day low, previous day high, marking that out. Of areas of possible liquidity sweeps right here. So we might sweep that. We'll see. Targets. Gonna mark the opening price of the daily candle. Okay, let's see. Just looking at it. We're still uptrend. I mean, we're still uptrend, so it'd be best, and we're down here, so it'd be best to look for longs. We just filled the gap. Long wick. It'd be best to look for longs, but we'll see. This here, we tapped into this 1 hour here. Or 4 hour. Sorry, 4 hour. Excuse me. We tapped into that. Okay, we got 1 hour right here. Let's see. 1 hour right here. 1 hour. Small 1 hour here. Bouncing off this 1 hour here. Got some fair value gaps. So we got 3 fair value gaps. Okay. So let's look at this. This fair value gap, did we tap into it? Let's check it out. We tapped into it, so that's showing bullish right now. That's showing bullish. Okay. This, when we tapped into it, closed it, came down. That's showing bearish. Okay. And but the one that happened the most recent was this one. So it was bearish. So that's one bearish signature, one bullish signature. This one we're here, so we don't know yet. Let's see if there's anything else. There's one here, we kind of bouncing off of that. That's another bearish one. But well, this is a deciding factor right here. See how this works. See what happens here in this one. We will see. Okay. So let's and also another one is that from here to here, this is 50%, and we are rejecting. So that's another thing. We gotta take that. That's another bearish signature there too. So we're just trying to see what's the most likely to happen. Okay, so we got 15-minute here. Let's see. Go down to the 15-minute. No, we don't need that one anymore. This one too. This one hasn't been made yet. It could still come up. Close it. Okay. So that's that. Let's see here. Let me see. Get a fib from here to down here. That's a 50% of this range here. And this is the PD array in that 50%. That's closer to the 50% is this, which we already tapped before. We'll just see market, see what happens this time. Okay. See if you find a midnight open real quick. Right here, okay. Midnight open. Right there. And London low, London high. Let's see where we are. Okay, we still got those lows down there, so those looking like some good targets. Look like some good targets here, and resting in the 15-minute too. So. We could say those are equal lows. They're close. They're close. We'll see. Yeah. And let's see. We can look at this real quick. Where we at? Right here. Yeah, so no, we're not gonna do that because we're so close to where we ended yesterday. So we're about in the same spot. So don't need to mark that. That's pretty much it on this. Get this like that. Boom. Have that pulled up. Know what's going on with that. I'm gonna look at this. Got a minute and a half till the market opens. Got this 1 hour here on ES. Let's see how this one holds or not. Right there. Okay. 4 hour to see. Still holding this 4 hour there. Still holding that. Okay. Daily, nothing much to see. 15 minutes. Let's see here. Liquidity right here. And another 15 right here. So I'm expecting to take out these London low, Asia high, Asia low, but I'd like to see a retrace and then let's go down. But if we do it now, then we won't have a trade right now. So market opens now. Market open. Okay. This will be my 5 minute, 1 minute execution, then the 15 minute. Okay, we got closest London low, London Asia low. I'd like to see it take it out, but I want to see a retracement back up. I want to see it come back up and then come down. Yeah, it's gonna take these out. It's just we'll see how that happens. Guarantee you're gonna take this Asia low out. Just unless it wants to make these lows again like this. How it's been doing, but it seems like we'll take this out. It's too strong. These 15 minutes are too strong. Looks like we should better push through this pretty easy. There's no entry for me, and I'm not gonna chase it because it could just easily retrace, come back up, and then come down easily. So if it wants to go, it should take these out. Then we'll see that take it out. Let's see if we get to the 50% and see what we want to do when we get there. Got London low, see the Asia low coming up. Yeah, because Asia low is, if we hit Asia low, then we'd be tagging into this 1 hour as well that we tagged into before, but it's just so little. So if we take that out, see what we want to do when we get there. Might want to just keep going lower, or we may want to reverse and come back up and consolidate in this little range that it's been doing. Boom, 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 boom. We may just want to consolidate here, which that'll be the low. We see. Look for a tracing back up. Also got a 4 hour there, so yeah. Would look good for it to hold this and then come up. We did not get into the 1 hour though, so we did not quite get there. Trying to be patient here. There we go. Now we're in the 1 hour, deeper into the 4 hour. Still got liquidity over here on this one. We just took it out over here. Okay, so we're in the 1 hour now. Deeper into the 4 hour. Took out this stuff. Let's see. See here. Okay, we're hovering around that 50% of this range here. So let's look here. So just looking at the 1 hour here. Okay, so from here to there we came back to 50%. Okay, now we're back to 50% again. Okay, we're pretty close. So right now, let's see what happens here. We're showing bearishness right here. We're showing bearishness right here. I'd like to see it come back into this 1 hour. We come back into this 1 hour. See it keep dropping. That'd be good. take out these lows. That's where it looks like we're going. Might save it for tomorrow, but we may do it today. That's what it's looking like to me. Okay, got an SMT at the lows here. We didn't take this out here, but we did take it out on NQ. So NQ looking a little bit more heavy. ES looking a little bit more solid to go up. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Got this here. But man, I want to see something with the 5 or 15. I don't want to just guess that this is the bottom. That's one thing I don't like doing. And I do it. I used to do it. And it just, I just lose. I just lose quite a bit doing that. But sometimes you'd win. But most of the time, if you keep doing that, you'll lose. So, I'm not trying to find the bottom. I'm trying to find my setup. Good setup. If we come up right here, make a fair value gap, and we come back into it, and then we keep going up, that's a possibility. But I really want to see shorts. But we could go up. Because we do have SMT at the bottom here. So it wouldn't be a terrible idea. If I do take this long, it'd be on my eval only. If I do take this long right here, I would not take this on my live, on my funded account, ain't no freaking way. But I'll take it on my eval to see if it wants to go or not. It would be after it closes past this, comes back to it, and then see it if it wants to go back up to this, up here to this 5 minute or something. I want to see more than just an inversion. I need to see more than that for me. It would be like this. Somewhere like that. But I will not take this on my funded account. I just won't. It's probable. But So just you're just catching the retracement. You're not catching the move. You're just seeing if we get a retracement. That's all you're doing. And if we get the retracement, then we get a good, decent trade. Which you can, and then quick quick break even. Okay, so we're in now. We're in the trade now, going long, and we're seeing if we can get this to the 726. Again, this is on my eval because I'm not super confident about this, but it looks like it has the potential to. That's what I'll say. Because we just took out Asia low, London low, did an inversion, change state of delivery right here, 2 times, 1, 2, and we'll see if we can hold this. See if we can hold this area or not. Still got a fair value gap down here. Might want to cover that a little bit. 614. Let's see. We'll just hold that. Yeah, we'll just see what it wants to do here. Okay, we got stopped out on that one. Okay, but that wasn't on my live anyway, so that was just a feeler. I'm trying to feel it out, see what it wants to do here. This would be a good short right here. Again, on my eval, but like, where the heck are we gonna go? I mean, like, where are we gonna go? Where are you taking it to? We're already in the 4 hour. So really I'm looking for kind of a longer kind of thing, or at least a retracement up here and then come down, but I don't want to see a move now downwards. We didn't get that little retracement isn't anything. We can still come up and retrace a lot more. So I feel more comfortable to see it retrace more. Retrace more. Yeah. If we come down here and then we come back up and tag this, or maybe tag this 5 minute fair value gap we got, then I'll look for a short. Right now it's just kind of, I don't want to chase it. We just hit 50%, so we'll let it do what it needs to do. But no chasing allowed, no chasing allowed. If you want to be profitable, no chasing allowed. So let's see here. Still waiting on something on the 5 or 15 minutes to show up. Okay, let's see what happens, man. We're chilling. We'll sit here all day. I'll sit here all day and not take a trade if it doesn't show up nice. If it just keeps dropping like this, I'm not getting anything. I need to see retracement into something, into a PD array, and then I'll do that. We just hit 50%. May want to invert this and go up, but like I said, I'm not gonna take anything quite yet. Just chilling, waiting. Just because of 1 minute showing 50% though also, and we took out them lows, but we finally took out this liquidity on the ES. So yeah, I'd like to see a retracement. Let this thing, there's no fair value gaps that we've seen since we opened. So I usually like to see at least something, some kind of fair value gap here. Or even on the 15 minute, there's nothing there. So no trades in, no trades right now. But lower looks good to me overall. I just like to see a retracement. That's all. Let's see here. What we can also do, and I'd consider a trade, is close past this 15 minute, come back to it, and then show, which is right here with this breaker, or I mean, not breaker, order block, and then keep going down. If we could keep going, if we close past this 15 here, come back to it, I'd be looking for a 1 minute inversion going down or something similar to that. I don't want to chase it right now. I want to catch it on a retracement. If it's going down, you don't just get in, because it can retrace, stop you out. So what you want to do is get in on the retracement when it comes back into some kind of zone. So this is the zone right here, the down, the green one, the little boom. That's the zone, which lines up, as you can see, with this 15 minute gap that we're passing up. So a lot of times we like to come back to that. Then we can come back to it and then keep going down, and that's where I want to take an entry. So it needs to invert, letting us know we're short. We're not tapping into another 15-minute here. There's nothing here until down here. Okay, we'll mark that out right here. But looking for lower, just want a retracement before I start going lower or trying to go lower. I don't want to just start taking trades and chasing. So yeah, let it keep going lower, because man, I'll tell you one thing, I'm not chasing it. But we did make a fair value gap there, which is good. Finds our first 5-minute gap since we opened. So it's good to keep an eye on that. See if we want to come back to that before we take this out. I don't want to just go down and take this out, otherwise I'm not getting into a trade. Okay. Once it's closed, we just close past this, come back up to this 15-minute right here. This 15-minute right here. And the 5-minute also. But if we keep going down like this, I'm not getting into a trade. I'd like to see a retracement. The risk reward is better like that. So it's simple enough. I mean, it's not nothing complicated about it. Just waiting. To tell you the truth, just waiting. A lot of waiting for it to do something that you want it to do. When it does this, there's nothing I want to get into that makes sense for me. I mean, this would have been good entry. This inversion here, this gap here where we came back up. But the only thing I didn't like about it was we didn't come back up into anything significant. Okay, we didn't even come back up. Like, I don't know. Like, we just came back up. The only thing you could say we came back up to was, let's see where we at, to this breaker. You mean? So we did come back up to the breaker, and then we dropped. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. But no gap or anything. But that's the only trade. But that's what you're looking for. If it's going down, 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 and you get in here and it retraces, it stops you out. No, you want to get it when it retraces and then comes back down. So we may go straight to the target, which is cool with me.
say? Right on 37 here, right, sir. Joe Derek, 43. Frodo. Frodo. No, Dr. Whistleblower. Hey, Frodo. 37. Oh, my God. Thank you.
Dang. Okay, so we're in the 55 minute now. We still haven't taken out this low here, which is the goal. So let's see if we can come back to this 15 minute here. Let's see, hold up. That's what we're looking for. We came back to a 5 minute. Are we that aggressive where we can't come back to the 15 minute and we just might have to smack this low right here right now? I don't know. I'd like to see a deeper retracement. I don't know about this, but could be a shot, man, but I don't even know, dude. It's kind of crazy right now. Are we that aggressive? Do we have to take this? This is the retracement we get right here, this little 5. Right now, we're bouncing off a 15 minute though, and we're targeting this down here. I'm not confident enough to take this short, but that's maybe all we get. It might be, we're dumping, so that might be all we get. I just don't want us to act like we inverted, then we actually come up and do a good retracement into all this. But this could be it right here. This could be an entry right here. To be honest with you, right there, it could be. I'm not gonna take it, but just looking how bearish we are, who knows? This thing could go. This thing could go. I'm not gonna take it. I'm just wondering if are we that bearish, or this is the only retracement we get. This little 5 minute here. If I'll get in, I want a retracement to a 15 minute and then a dump or something. Alrighty. Yeah, we're not following through as quick as I thought we would. If somebody who didn't want to take this short. But if we wanted to dump, we would dump. So But I'd like to see a retracement into something way over here. Something to this 15-minute possibly. Something, dude. Not this. That's not enough. That little 5 minutes not enough. This will be good if we came in here maybe. I'd love it if we came in this inversion that we had. That'd be good if we came in just inversion. 15 here. Then yeah, that would look pretty good. This one would line up with this one, so I don't know. Maybe possibility too. It's just nothing high prop or super bearish, so definitely shorts. I don't want to do no longs right now. Okay, yeah. Let's see if we get this dump. Came to the 15 here. Let's see what happens. We don't have any inversions, any fair value gaps. So we're chilling, man. We're chilling. See if we can make one. See what we can do here. Patient. Let's see here. Boom. Let's see. Came to this 5 minute. Came to this 15 minute too. Let's see what else we got there. So we're looking for a reversal, or not reversal, but looking for a continuation to keep going down. But I need to see something that's clear, maybe inversion, something good. I want to see lower from here if we can. There's nothing screaming out right now, so I don't want to take any. There's nothing to take now for me. Got this little gap here. Could have potential. This little gap here. It's kind of small. Could have potential. Let's see. We may want to keep going up for now and then catch a reversal somewhere. Let me see, it's 1 hour. Yeah, dude, we just closed past the 1 hour too, so dang. Yeah. Now if we come over here, that'd be awesome, dude. If we come over here, that'd be good. Come up in this 5 minute here, and the top portion of it, that'd be good. Could be the short right here. Could be the short right here. I may get in a little bit on my eval. Let's see how this looks right now. I just want to see if it can go lower right now, real quick. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Let's see. Just want to see if we can hold this for a little bit. Let's see. This next candle for me will let me know right here. If we go down and come below this, that'd be good. If we stay up there, then I don't want to get in it. So we'll see right now. We'll see right now. We'll see right now. I'm gonna be picky on this one because I'd like for it to retrace higher, but we're looking super bearish. See if we get a close past the line. Let's see if we get a close past that. Yep, we got it. Let's see. We can get in right there. See if we can take this thing lower. A lot lower. Some of my eval, not my funded. We are 459. Let's see. Five 1 5. Okay. See what we get here. This would be break even right here would be my spot where I'd put break even. Break even right there. See if this thing can flush. That was the retracement. I mean, that was it. So we took that. Not the first inversion. We took this kind of chain state delivery once it passed that. And and it passed that one too. We kind of took it there. So okay, we took off one of them right there. Now we're break even. Now I'm break even. See if we can get this sweep all the way down to where can we go? Shoot. See. So let's see if we can go all the way down. Let's see if we can take this out. I'm gonna hold it till there. I'm gonna hold it till there. I'm gonna hold it till there. See if we get it. We're holding it. I'm holding this thing, man. Either it takes this out here. I'm looking for this. Or forget about it. That's what I'm looking for. Right there. Let's see here. That's what this one looks like on ES. Where are we at here on this one? So we still got there. Okay, let's see the sweep. Let's see now what it wants to do now. Now let's get this.
Order filled.
Taking off one right here. The rest of it, we're holding it to right here. Gonna looking for this at least. I don't want to look for the whole dang liquidity because a lot of times it gets close, makes it equal low or the relative equal low, and then keeps going. So I don't look for the whole thing. I look for this. I look for close to it. And that's close to it. My stop loss is trailing. I'm like right here somewhere. So we'll see if we get it or not. Either way, we're up good. Up really good, so not a big deal. But I just want to see if we can get this last little push here. So already up about 450 ticks on this trade right now. Seeing if we can get this. We took the majority out here. One break even there. See if we can get this rest a little bit. Get 650 ticks on it. But we're up 430. We're already locking in 280 right here. Because that's my trailing. I just want to see if we can hold it and get it to push here, or we can get stop that right here with the profit we got. So either way, right here we're good. I just want to see if we can push. About to close past this 15-minute here. Expecting this push. There we go. Let's see. Let's get this. Let's get this profit right here on them. If we take it out on ES, so we'll just close it. But it looks like we'll take it out before then, right here. We're trailing aggressively because we're already in profit. We're good. I just want to see if we get this push down here. Take this liquidity out before we go up and try to retrace into anything. This is my trailing profit right here, trailing stop loss. So either way, we're in the money. Looking to see if this liquidity gets taken out. If we get liquidity taken out on ES, I'll close it. But it looks like we're gonna take it out before that, so looks like we're good.
Order filled.
Okay, we're gonna take it off there. We're good enough. That's good enough right there. It's chilling right here. Too much for me, but that's not a big difference already. 650 to 560. We're already making 500, 600. So that was good, perfect. Wanted to see if we get a good push. It was taking too long. We got out. We're still a believer to go down there. Just wanted to take it out. So that's the trade right there. So we were waiting for what? Waiting for this right here. Waiting for this to get a tap into something higher. And the 5 minute got tapped to, 15 minute got tapped into. Once that happened, we're looking for a inversion. We got the inversion here with the change of state delivery. We didn't come back to it, but we inverted there at the same time with a good candle. We got in, we took it all the way down. Went break even right here. That was it. Same thing every day, dude. I mean, appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all take it easy. God bless.